After turning on your Engo Smart Eyewear, you need to adjust the glasses for your comfort and in order to see the display. First, put your glasses on and try to see the information on the screen. The position of your glasses relative to your pupil is important. Make sure that you wear the glasses so that the projector is at the height of your pupil. The information are not displayed directly in front of you. Look up towards the interior of the glasses. If you get the image partially or if you don't see anything, tighten or loosen the nose pads to get the right height. Then try to pivot your glasses a little. When you find a good position, bend the temples so that your glasses stay in place when you wear them. For your comfort and your safety, take your time during this process to make sure that your glasses fit perfectly and that you are able to easily see all the data on screen while wearing them.